This is the Nexgrill 1-burner portable propane barbecue sold from Home Depot, and I'm going to do a quick review on it. So this is sold from Home Depot. It's about 80 bucks. It's not a bad little barbecue. It's good for camping, tailgating, whatever. A little bit dirty because obviously I use it quite a bit. No real issues with it. I like it. It's small, compact, nice design to it. Gets the job done. It's not for heavy duty use, but it's good cooking your basics. The only real pet peeve I do have about this is the grease tray. It's got a grease tray down here at the bottom. But as you can see, it's kind of small. Does the job, but I'll show you what the other problem is with it. So basically, there's your drip pan. It sits right like that. Here's the problem. There's these 3 holes here, and the drip pan takes care of those, no problem. The problem being when you have a lot of grease, you've got these extra holes on either side here, and that's where the problem is. If you're out on us, or like us, we've got a cement patio, so grease stains are very hard to get off, unless you've got a high pressure washer. And some people might know what it's like to get grease stains off a patio. So basically all I did is I went to the dollar store. I got one of these turkey baster or turkey pans, cut the edges down the size of the barbecue, taped it up, taped up all the sharp edges, and the barbecue fits over top of this nicely. And hopefully you can see this okay. As you can see, covers all underneath the barbecue, and so now there's no grease whatsoever. It eliminates the smaller drip pan. So that's basically all my pet peeve about this portable barbecue. Other than that, like I said, it's a great little barbecue. Also, I like the fact that you can fold up the legs on it, and you can just carry it as is. Nice, not very heavy, and like I said, very compact to carry around with you. Thanks for watching.